Hello dear civil engineers, I Abhinav on the behalf of complete civil engineering resultant team welcome you all in the platform. So guys, now the complete resultant team with resources, with content is now in the AJE segment. And as you know that RRB has released its notification, and last time the notification was in 2018 where guys the exam was conducted in 2019 across various zones, across various loads, and now guys with around 7,900 seats RRB is again in the 2024. So all the students who are aiming for this post, this year may be a golden year for them. At least 7,900 students will be selected. Before going into the CBT 1, CBT 2, I will be telling you the weightage analysis for various subjects of civil engineering as per the data of last year. I'll be telling you the books to refer. I'll be telling you the various stages of selection. Before that, let me tell you what will happen when you go to the job. What are the promotional chances and all. So guys, at the day of joining, your basic salary will be around 35,000, but the gross in-hand salary will be around 58,000. Yes, this may fluctuate on basis of city to city because the central government has divided the various cities into 3 zones where they are giving different HRA, house rent allowance. Okay, so your roughly your gross salary will be around 58 to 60,000. Your post will be JE at the time of joining, but after 5 years guys, it will be senior section engineer. Then again guys, after 4 to 5 years, it will be sectional in charge. And then guys, some internal exams are there. If you qualify them early, your promotional chance will be more. You will be assistant divisional engineer. Let me tell you guys, this post is the post when you go through UPSC. Okay, 4 years back when you are going for the engineering service examination or your seniors have done, then from this you will get this post, and then guys divisional engineer, then senior divisional engineer. Okay, so after here guys, the promotion will be taking around 5 to 6 years, and here it will be class 1 officer. It will be class 1 group A officer when you will reaching here around 10 to 15 years. Now guys, this is the post. If you are from diploma, you are eligible. If you are from BTech background, you are eligible for this. Okay, the CBT 1, I'll be telling you the procedure and of course the weightage analysis, everything is qualifying. Okay, just you have to qualify there. But yes, CBT 2, the final selection will be decided. Now guys, the age will be 18 from 18 to 36. And before guys telling you each and every detail, the weightage analysis, let me tell you that the 4 types of work will be there, and we can divide in basically into 2 categories where it is less field work. Like guys, when you are doing the work for bridge, railway bridges, it will be mostly designing thing. Okay, and designing of other things other than bridge, such as railway tracks, sleepers, ballast, okay, tracks, that will be less field work, and most of the time your job will be office job, that is 10 to 6 or 9 to 5. Now guys, there are some jobs or thing that will be, you have to go in the field like permanent way, the person who is responsible for all the track maintenance, track repair and all, and the other simply known as works which are directly in correlation with the store and the site. Now guys, this is the detail of all these. Okay, now guys, if I talk about civil engineer guys, then total of 3,543 seats the RRB has announced for civil engineer guys, and I hope you have filled the form. Otherwise guys, from 29th August 2024 you can fill the form, and the exam will be all India basis, but there are various zones in which you can select. You have to select a zone, and most probably guys, 99% of time, unless you have some serious issue, okay, and some serious links as well, most of the time throughout your service tenure up to 60 years, as of now the retirement age is 60 years, you will be serving in that zone only. Your cutoff, your selection ratio, everything will be on that zone from which you are filling the form. So guys, please fill the form according to that zone in which you can work for 60 years. Okay, now guys, 3,145 seats are purely in civil engineering, and guys 398 seats are for store guys. Other branches are also eligible, but here guys, unlike mechanical and electrical, here guys only civil engineering are eligible. In mechanical and electrical post, the mechanical post electrical are also eligible, in electrical post mechanical are also eligible, but here guys purely civil engineering students are eligible. and yes, here other branches are also eligible. So total 3,543 seats are across India for which civil engineers will be fighting for. Now guys, for engineering, the total 3,145, first row 399, 398, and total this, if you see the category wise bifurcation of this 3145 and 398 seat, then this is guys, unreserved, that is general category, SC, ST, OBC, EWS and ex-servicemen. Now guys, these are the details across the zone. I am very sure that you have seen this thousands of the times in the various social media platform. Okay, this complete details, but let me tell you a better thing. Okay, now guys, I will be showing you the vacancies only for civil engineers. Okay, only for civil engineers. Zone wise vacancies, not total, only for civil engineers. So in Ahmedabad zone guys, total 190 seats, 77 unreserved, that is generic, 28 for SC, 13 for ST, 55 for OBC, 26 for EWS and 20 service for ex-servicemen. Similarly guys, in Bangalore it is 195, Bhubaneswar it is 84, Bilaspur 299, Chandigarh 173. I'm letting you again guys, this is the vacancies only for civil engineers. I have subtracted the other branches. Chennai, a huge number, 154, Guwahati, Kolkata, Malda division 76 seats guys, Mumbai highest seat 555 guys, Prayagraj, Sikandra guys, again guys, let me tell you guys, directly with seeing the number of seats now, you cannot say that there will be the competition will be less, because what happens generally, where there are more seats, Sikandrabad is again guys, the maximum number of students are also fighting for that seat. Okay, also guys, although guys the difference of cutoff across various zone is only 2 to 3 marks, but still guys, you cannot directly say if the number of seats are more, competition will be less, because the more number of seats are majorly in those areas where the competition is also more. Let me tell you a beautiful example of this. Siliguri is there na. Last time also Siliguri seats were least, but let me tell you the selection ratio in Siliguri is in the top 5 in 2019. Because in less seats in 2019 or 18 also, that time, but the number of aspirants are even lesser. So even with least number of seats, the selection ratio is top 5 in Siliguri. Okay, so what I recommend you guys, as the cutoff across the various branches, across the various zone is not differing more than 3 to 4 marks, I recommend you to select that zone in which you can serve for 60 years. Might be guys in Siliguri or any other place, you might be selected, but you are quitting the job after 5 years. So guys, the first priority should not be cut off guys. The first priority is, can you do the job there for 60 years? Suppose the cutoff of Antarctica, randomly saying, is 0 marks. Will you fill the form? Will you go there? No, na. So the first priority should be, can you serve the service there for railways up to 60 years or not? The second thing can be cut off and other things. Guys, SSC JE na, 8.5 lakh students give the exam across the country. Now if I tell you the RRB JE data na, of 2018, for which the exam was conducted in 2019, these are the number of students across the various zones. This is the total number of students across all branch. Like Sikandrabad guys, if seats are usually high, but guys see, the number of students are huge. Okay, 4 lakh students here, 4 lakh students here, 2 lakh students here. Okay, so you cannot say Mumbai, suppose last year 1500 vacancies, but the competition is also doubled na. Here the vacancies are half of Mumbai, competition is also half na. So if you see proportion wise, it is not differing. For 1500 seats, 4 lakh students, for 700 seats, 2 lakh 80,000 students is approximately same. Okay, in Mumbai double the seats but double the competition also. So like this is the data. In Chandigarh 2 lakh students have there. Okay, Guwahati 76,000 students are there. Last time I am talking. Thiruvananthapuram 40,000 students only. Sigurd 21,000. Okay, so these are the data of last year, the number of students which have participated. Now if I talk you about the various stages guys, CBT 1 and CBT 2 is there. I am coming in detail. So last time 26 lakh students have appeared in 2018 notification. Exam was in 2019. Out of this 26 lakh students across all branches, after the first stage guys, 2 lakh students have cleared the first stage. They have gone to CBT 2. And after CBT 2 guys, 20,000 students are selected for those 40,000 seats. And then after document verification and medical, 14,000 or 15,000 seats are allotted, and some students got, after a couple of years in the waiting list, they got their name. Okay. Now guys, if I talk about CBT1, this is CBT2. If I talk about CBT1 now, then CBT1 guys, the paper will be of 100 marks. The paper will be qualifying paper. Okay. In final merit list, it will not be counted, and the paper includes general awareness, general science, aptitude, and reasoning. Okay. These are the 4 subjects for CBT1. Okay, and it will be total of 100 marks. Now if you clear here guys, then you will be going to CBT2. If you clear here, then you will be going to CBT2, and CBT2 is the paper in which the final merit will be decided. I repeat again guys, CBT2 is the thing in which the final merit will be decided. Okay, 15 marks of general awareness, 15 marks of physics chemistry, 10 marks of computer, 10 marks of environment, 100 marks of technical. Civil engineering will be giving civil engineering of 100 marks, and out of 50 marks, 15 general awareness, 15 physics chemistry, 10 computer science, and 10 environment pollution. Okay, here guys, 120 minutes for these 150 questions. Each question 1 mark, negative marking -1/3. Calculator is allowed in the second stage. I repeat, the calculator is allowed in the second stage. Now guys, this is very important for you. Now guys, in CBT1 there is no technical, but in CBT1 only guys, this general awareness, general science, aptitude and reasoning, 100 marks. In CBT2, out of 150 marks, 50 is non-technical, or physics chemistry I am considering non-technical as civil engineering point of view, and 100 will be civil. Now in 100 civil, what are the weightages? That I told you guys. Of last time the exam in 2019 was on 19 September, 28 August shift 2, and 29 August shift 2. These details we have for 19 September, 28 August shift 1, shift 2, 20th August, and 29 August shift 2. Now guys, construction material is having the highest number of questions. Out of these 100 questions guys, 1/4 part is construction management. But this construction management of RRB is not like the construction management of ESC and SSC JE. Here guys, let me tell you, in construction management, building material is also there. The extra part, construction of sub and superstructures, building fabrication, building drawing, concrete technology, all are there. Guys, this is not in JE syllabus. This is not in engineering service syllabus. This is not in state PSC. Finishing, fabrication, maintenance is not in JE, is not in state PSC. So these are the extra topics there, which we will be teaching you in the resultant guys. Okay, so that will be around 25% of the weightage guys, 1/4. I cannot say building material guys, unlike engineering services or SSC. 1/4 is not building material. 1/4 is building material, construction of super and substructures, building fabrication, building maintenance, or building drawing. This is 1/4 of the syllabus. Out of 100 questions, 50 questions, 25 questions are from here. Okay. Now guys, steel around 6 to 7 questions, environment around 5 to 8 questions, estimation and costing around 6 to 5 questions, fluid mechanics around 5 questions, transportation around 9 questions, hydrology you can say there will be no question, because this question can be considered in water resources as well. Okay, irrigation around 4 to 5 questions, reinforced concrete 5 to questions, soil mechanics after building material you can say that soil mechanics is the second highest. Okay, now guys, strength of material 13, sometime 4, sometime 6. Okay, structural analysis 1, surveying around 4 to 5 questions. AutoCAD is also there guys. AutoCAD, building drawing are the things which are not in other exams. This we will be teaching you in resultant guys. Okay, according to the competition point of view. Okay, engineering mechanics is also of 1 to 2 questions are asked there as well. So if you see total subjects now, it is RRB JE civil engineering syllabus. I repeat, RRB JE civil engineering syllabus is higher than any other civil engineering syllabus. Okay, in terms of vastness, I'm not saying depth, but yes, in the vastness, more syllabus is in RRB JE across any other civil engineering exam. So these are the various subjects guys: building construction, building material, fabrication, sub and superstructure, building drawing, concrete technology, surveying. AutoCAD is also there guys, soil mechanics, FM, irrigation, storm structure, RCC, steel, transport, environment, advanced construction, estimation, costing, and contracts and accounts is also there guys. Okay, so there are 4 to 5 subjects which are not in any other exam. AutoCAD, contract and accounts, estimation, costing is in JE but not in other exams. Okay, sub and superstructure, building finishing, maintenance, sub and superstructure. All these are things which are exclusively here. Now guys, these are the books which you can refer. I'm not saying to study the complete book guys, because we are expecting that around 75 to 80 days CBT 1 will be there. Then after 2 months it will be CBT 2. So of course guys, these all books you cannot study, but yes, if you want to refer a particular topic, these books you can go for these various subjects. Of course guys, the practice will be the key in the RRB JE exam, and of course the first stage is most important. Okay, but what is the benefit of first stage? That 2 lakh students will be called for the second stage. Not 2 lakh, it is actually 15x. Okay, suppose here if I tell you in CBT 1 to CBT 2 na, around 15 times of students will be called if x is equal to total number of seats. So this time total number of seats are 8,000 across all branch. So 1,20,000 students will be called across all branch. But for civil guys, the seats are around 3,500. Okay. So we are expecting that for civil engineers, 50,000 students will be called here. 50,000 civil engineering students will be called here, because the seats for civil engineering are 3,500 approximately. 15 times will be called. So approximately 50,000 students will be called for civil engineer, and any student who do a decent preparation, I am very sure that he will be in the top 50,000 in CBT 1, providing he is getting the qualifying marks in the examination. Okay, so guys, this is all that a civil engineering student should be known. Okay, let me again tell you guys, the complete team is with you, the Resultant team. We have the courses, okay, so that the CBT 1, the focus courses for CBT 1, okay, the aim course is for CBT 2. If you want to take the complete course, CBT 1 and CBT 2, the mission course is there. Okay, so guys, the complete team is with you. Okay, and we'll be providing the content, the test series and everything that a student is looking for. Live classes, recording infinite number of times you can watch, and the test series and the question bank. Wish you all the best. If you have any other query regarding the exam, please let me know. Thank you. Take care.